In the previous video, we learned all the tips and tricks and naming structures for common polynomials, and learned 15 of them using 3-sentence fun story. Now we will learn common used 14 more polynomial ions just using 2-sentence story as mnemonics. Let's the adventure begins. I was walking for fresh air to take break and noticed the shiny graphite layered with carbon and chrome, oxidized with peroxide which made the graphite bright. I also see in the neighborhood 3 different types of satellites running from Time Warner Cable and Heritage Cable Vision. That's it. We will learn 10 polyatomic ions from those 2 sentences. Graphite made with carbon, we will use carbon to remember carbonate. Chrome is for chromate. Double-layered chrome is for dichromate. Oxidize is for oxalate. Peroxide is peroxide. 3 types of satellite is for sulfate, sulfite, and silicate. Time Warner Cable is for thiosulfate and heritage. Cable vision we will use to remember is for hydrogen phosphate ion. Now we will explore on polyatomic ions with negative charge 3 through such an easy way. Let's do it. The common examples of negative 3. Polyatomic ions, which also generally called a trianion. Phosphate, phosphite, arsenate, borate. Near the lake there is tin white rocks. Might have arsenic dry lake beds, looks so different, definitely containing borate. In the side of the lake where people walk, well-fed soil, 2 different kinds of phosphate and phosphite soil because the small trees looks healthy. Here we got a arsenate ion. Arsenate contains arsenic. It is an inorganic oxyanion where a central arsenic atom, in a +5 oxidation state, is bonded to 4 oxygen atoms. It is a common, highly toxic form of arsenic found in groundwater, soil, and various compounds. Long-term exposure to arsenic from drinking water and food can cause cancer and skin lesions. Borate ion used in borate fertilizers improve crop yield, and boron is a necessary nutrient in the diet. Phosphates are essential in fertilizers for plant growth, cleaning detergents, and as calcium phosphate in human bones and teeth. Phosphites are commonly used as fungicides to protect plants from diseases and promote crop development. Way to go! Keep recalling the polyatomic ions over and over, make it easier and comes to memory in a snap in overtime. Please give a thumbs up if it helps you to remember polyatomic ions. Thank you.